Hi, I'm Trudy with Heal Wellness and Therapy, and today we are going to be practicing sun salutations. So it is a simple morning practice that you can do if you're a beginner to yoga or even an advanced practitioner. So come along with me, join me at the top of your mat. Starting with mountain or Tadasana pose. So feet together, toes touching, or having feet hip width apart, which would be two fists between your big toes, lining up the outside of your feet, allowing your knees to be straight by soft, not hyperextended. Finding your pelvis in the middle range between a tuck and a tilt. Take a moment to rest your hand on your chest to take a deep inhale and lift your rib cage up. Hold your breath, look down at your feet to align your rib cage, and then slowly exhale, finding that position there. Resting your arms down, shrugging your shoulders gently, rotating your hands so that the thumbs go to the back of your mat, and then allowing your elbows to settle downward, and then relaxing your hands, lengthening through the back of your neck and settling your chin in. Full Tadasana, balanced alignment in standing. Take a moment here to close your eyes and find a nice slow deep inhale in through your nose and out through your nose. Allow your tongue to rest to the roof of your mouth. Deep inhale into your nose and exhale out through your nose. Let's begin sun salutations. Nice deep inhale as you lift your arms up, gazing up, lifting the rib cage. Exhaling, forward fold, hinging the hips, dropping the head, gazing between the knees. Inhaling up for halfway lift, and then exhaling down for deeper forward fold. Stepping the right leg back, inhaling here, exhaling, allowing the abdominals to tighten as shoulder blades come back and down. And then inhale, coming up for crescent pose. Exhaling, hands down to fold, stepping the left leg back, finding your inhale here for plank, and then exhaling chaturanga. Inhaling upward dog, exhaling into downward dog, finding the length through the hamstrings and the calf muscles. Inhaling, stepping the right foot forward. Exhale, tucking that tailbone, abdominals in, shoulder blades back and down. And then inhale back up for crescent pose. Exhale, finding your standing Tadasana again. Inhaling, lifting, reaching nice and high towards the sky. Exhaling, forward folding down towards the ground. Inhaling, halfway lift. And then exhaling, deeper forward fold. Stepping the left leg back on your inhale, and then exhaling, tightening those abdominal shoulder blades back and down. Inhaling, lifting for crescent. And then exhaling, folding down, stepping the right foot back for plank. Inhaling into your plank, and then exhaling, chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog, and exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, stepping the left foot forward. Exhaling, tightening abdominal shoulder blades back and down. And then inhaling, lifting up for crescent. And exhaling to Tadasana. Round two, inhaling, lifting the arms, reaching up as you gaze upwards towards the sky. Exhaling, forward fold. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhaling, deeper forward fold. Left leg, stepping it back on the inhale. Exhaling, tucking the tailbone under, shoulder blades back and down. Inhaling, crescent. Exhaling, folding down, stepping the right leg back. Inhaling for plank and exhaling, chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog, and exhaling, downward dog. Stepping the left foot forward, inhaling, exhaling, tucking the tailbone under, shoulder blades back. Inhaling up for crescent, and exhaling to Tadasana. Inhaling, lifting the arms, ribcage, and gaze, and exhaling, folding all the way down. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhaling, deeper fold. Inhaling, stepping that right leg back. Exhaling, tucking the tailbone, abdominal, shoulder blades back and down. Body really warming now. Inhaling for crescent. Exhaling, hands down to the mat, stepping the left leg back. Inhaling for plank and exhaling chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog, and exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, stepping the right foot to get up forward. Exhaling, tucking tailbone, abdominal, shoulder blades back and down. Inhaling for a strong last crescent. And exhaling, Tadasana. Finding your balanced mountain pose. Allowing your hands to come to the center of your heart. Rest your tongue to the roof of the mouth, tip of the tongue touching the back of the top teeth. Closing your eyes. Maybe even placing a smile on your face. Taking this last moment, last few breaths to set that intention for your day. Today will be the greatest day of my life. Today I'll be happy. Today I will smile at a stranger. Find whatever sparks your joy. Set that intention and make everything you can of the day ahead of you. Thank you for practicing sun salutations with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give us the thumbs up just below me on the screen. As well, select the subscribe. If you notify yourself with pressing that bell button, you will get a notification every time that we release a new video. Hands to heart, smiles on faces. Namaste. Thank you.